What's up guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Xanthia, I'm 19 and I live on the Gold Coast. Okay, so if you couldn't tell by the title, my car is desperately in need of a wash and vacuum and just to be cleaned out. So I need to do that today, especially because apparently bat poo like erodes the paint on your car or whatever. So I need to get that off because there are bats that live in these trees that I'm parked next to. So I'm on my way to the car wash now. Well, as soon as I washed my car, it has now started to rain. So that's my luck for you. But now I'm gonna get petrol on the way home, and then I need to stop in at Westfield. Guys, look at that. It's the mystery machine. Well, 50 odd bucks later, I have a full tank of petrol and a relatively clean car. There's a Daffy Duck car at the gym. It's a very bad angle, but this is the only angle I can do right now. I'm gonna give you a mini haul. I've got a new windshield cover thingy because I gave mine to Tommy's. So that's just gonna live in my boot here because I don't need it right now. I bought a mini mouthwash because just in case. And then I also bought a little flashlight because you can never be too safe and it's always handy to have a flashlight. I'm gonna open that when I get home. Alright, while I'm on a roll, I should probably clean out my glove box, glove compartment, whatever you call it. I forgot what it's called. So I'm gonna clean that out because I do really need to. It's my script for my Hep B dosing, so I definitely cannot lose that. This could probably also be reorganized. Alrighty guys, I would say my car is pretty clean. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna end it here. I really do appreciate your support in all my videos, and I'll see you next week.